Benin bronze. Benin bronze, these are the sculptures from Nigeria, which are recently returned by the Germany. These are sculptures from the Nigeria, recently returned by Germany. So why these are important one? Because sometimes they're asking some of the question from the worldwide. There are some of the other sculpture also, even they can also ask about the Kohinoor diamonds, even they can also ask about the Rosetta Stone. So in this context, we will look into it कि exactly है क्या requirement है, and why this is important for your examination. So Benin bronze is maybe finally related to your art and culture syllabus. So about the art, क्या part पूछा जाता है, mainly related to the current affairs. So in that case, you can remember it. The Benin bronze are a group of 3,000 sculptures and artwork that was taken by the Germany in 1897 in the Benin city, looted by the British colony at the Germany. Several of these pieces were specially commissioned for the kings of Obas and queen mothers of the kingdoms. These artifacts provide insight to the culture of the Benin kingdom as well as the relationship with the neighboring country. Like कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा in the Indus Valley civilization, there were the various sculptures which are telling about the social life of the Indus Valley civilization and the other political life of the and the art and technology, किस technology से बनाए गए हैं. That's considering the sculptures are telling about it. Similarly, the Benin bronze are telling about the at the time the technology in the Nigeria. So after the so many years, the Germany returning these bronze to the Nigeria. You can look into it. These are the images of the Benin bronze. This type of images. Even in the Indus Valley of civilization, you can relate with which subject it. Anybody can give this type of sculpture is also found in the Indus Valley civilization. Dancing girl है, terracotta figurines है, others. इस तरीके से ही आपको linkage करना है. How these are linked with our syllabus. Now, other artifacts that the country demanded to be returned. One is the Kohinoor diamonds. It's related to the India only. It was founded in the Andhra Pradesh. Now the region is the Andhra Pradesh, जहाँ पे ये discover हुआ था. But after the treaty with the after Second Anglo-Sikh War during the Punjab was brought under the East India Company. The Anglo-Sikh War हुआ था second time पे. After there was a treaty signed, and this Kohinoor was taken to the Britain. Until now, it's with the Britain only. The Lahore Treaty held between the Lord Dalhousie and the Maharaja Dulip Singh in 1849. Kohinoor diamond was surrendered by the Maharaja of Lahore to the Queen of England. Until now, it's with the England only. So this fact is the important. किस किस के बीच में deal sign हुआ था and surrenders after the Anglo-Sikh War. These three things are important. After the Second Anglo-Sikh War, treaty signed between the Lord Dalhousie and the Maharaja Dulip Singh, and as well the surrendered by the Maharaja of Lahore to the Queen of the England. So these are the some important information about the Kohinoor diamond. Next is about the Rosetta Stone. It's a well-known example. The Rosetta stones displayed at the British Museum. It's an Egyptian stone. Features in the inscriptions. It's a type of stones जहाँ पे different types के letters लिखे हुए हैं. We can see here. It's Egyptian stones. So it's a very important thing कि match the followings में they can ask about Rosetta stones, Kohinoor diamonds, and the bronze sculptures, and one more thing from the IVC. कहाँ पे क्या मिला है and it's related to which country. So and now option is only one pair is correct, only two pair is correct. So you need to know all the options कि कहाँ पे क्या है. So the stone was discovered by the Napoleon Bonaparte near the town of Rashid Rosetta in 1799. So the town's का नाम was also the Rosetta, so it's known as the Rosetta Stone. Rosetta Stone. I hope कि आप लोगों को एक idea हो रहा होगा how the question is framed from the newspaper. कैसे आपको syllabus से link करना है. Even the news is not from the Indian subcontinent, the news from the overall the world, but how you will link with your syllabus of any subject. How you these things you can be related from your syllabus of the art and culture in the ancient India.